if you guys know me, you guys know that this is not the sort of content that I usually post. But considering the fact कि मेरे पास एक प्लेटफॉर्म है एंड मेरे पास ऑडियंस है, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मुझे इस बारे में बात करनी चाहिए. So recently, I've been seeing a lot of weird content on Instagram, and I don't know, like it's just kind of scary. कि what is Instagram pushing towards its audience, and the fact कि I am not even interested in that sort of content. And see, when I talk about Instagram content, if I am talking about Instagram content, that there are certain content that's concerning and that shouldn't be there on Instagram, then you should take it seriously. Considering the fact कि how my Instagram was and मैं कैसे post किया करती थी, my post was just thirst traps, honestly, because I used to be on certain platforms and promote those platforms. I used to post thirst traps, so my content used to be very, very, very bold. So when I'm talking about something that's Instagram pushing currently, and that's something that shouldn't be there, like it should not be on a social media platform, then I think it's serious. So शुरू से स्टार्ट करते हैं. मेरे दो इंस्टाग्राम अकाउंट है, एक मेरा मेन अकाउंट और एक मेरा you can say backup sort of account, but like I just do my random shit posting there. I like sometimes I post myself, sometimes I post my pets there. So मेरा जो मेन इंस्टाग्राम अकाउंट है उसमें बेसिकली मेरा जो पूरा फीड है, इट्स pretty much like book recommendations, quotes and information. That's what my feed is filled with, and gardening. So because मैं अपने मेन अकाउंट पर बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम स्पेंड करती हूँ, इट्स फिल्ड विद द थिंग्स दैट इंटरेस्ट मी, एंड आई ट्राई टू कीप माई फीड वेरी क्लीन इन द वे कि अगर कुछ भी ऐसा आता है जो कि जिनके ओपिनियंस मुझसे मैच नहीं होते, या फिर कुछ ऐसे जोक्स है जो बहुत ही ज़्यादा डार्क है मेरे ह्यूमर के कंपैरिजन में, मैं हमेशा नॉट इंटरेस्टेड पर क्लिक कर देती हूँ. एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम मुझे ऐसा कभी बस उन अकाउंट से या वैसा कभी दिखता नहीं है आफ्टर क्लिकिंग नॉट इंटरेस्टेड. But this thing I came across not in my main account, but like my other account, जिसमें मैं जिसको मैं usually scroll करने के लिए use करती हूँ. That account is filled with either cats and dogs के posts, because I also post my cats and dogs there. And अगर मुझे कुछ ऐसा trending audio दिखता है, फिर मुझे कुछ ऐसा trend दिखता है जो मुझे लगता है कि okay मुझे भी ऐसा reel बनानी चाहिए, so I just share it on my main account. I think 2-3 days ago, I don't recall the exact night, I was scrolling. And I started coming across some really weird reels. The reels are like एक normal sort of picture होगी, like something very normal. आप समझ लो Spider-Man या कुछ भी. Just imagine anything, any normal picture, and कुछ audio चल रहा होगा. So that picture came and I was actually looking at that picture, and then I saw that I think उस picture के कोने में there is corn, like literal corn playing on, and it's blended with the picture in the corner. I scrolled because I'm like, okay, what the hell? It was ठीक है. A lot of people ask for links, direct people to their telegrams, and I know this sort of things happen on Instagram. I know about it, but it was like, I'm like, how did Instagram? तो ये thought आया मेरे दिमाग में that how did Instagram allow this? But I like scrolled. Then कुछ normal reels आए and बैक टू बैक वैसी रील्स आई मेरी फीड में. एग्जैक्ट सेम कॉन्सेप्ट कि एक नॉर्मल सी पिक्चर एंड साइड में कहीं कौन चल रहा है. सो व्हाट आई डिड, आई रिपोर्टेड दैट एंड देन आई स्क्रॉल्ड. कुछ काफ़ी ज़्यादा वियर्ड रील थी. वियर्ड लाइक इट वाज नॉट वेरी सेक्शुअल, but it was like really weird, like you know that the sort of reel that leaves you with that uneasiness. बैक टू बैक बहुत सारे झगड़े आए मेरे इंस्टाग्राम फीड में, दैट पीपल आर लाइक लिटरली फाइटिंग विद ईच अदर, एंड सब कमेंट्स में पूछ रहे कि क्या हुआ व्हाट्स हैपनिंग, एंड इट वाज जस्ट सो chaotic. I have never shown interest in that sort of reels after those 2-3 chaotic reels, because I was like okay, because I was thinking that maybe it's that sort of glitch जो एक बार हुआ था, that all the gory and violent reels started appearing on our feeds. मुझे लगा कि वैसा एक रैंडम ग्लिच वापस हो गया है, you know, with Meta. Just click not interested, and I was scrolling. In one of the reels, somebody was like, a couple was in a farmland, and a group was literally chasing them. कि what were you doing? क्या कर रहे थे? And group was like literally chasing them, and you can tell that that video is shot without their consent. जो भी couple है, because just want to run away from them. They are couple. They seemed like adults, and they were like trying to run away. And these people, and they were not like dressed properly because they were there for certain reason. Even though like I do not fully support them, like whatever people doing in public, I do not support it. And I think you are at a risk, like a kid seeing you in that position, and no, you should not do that. But the thing is, if you're confronting certain people that you're doing wrong in like this is not appropriate to do it in public, and like anybody can like walk into them, but the thing is, chasing them with a camera while you know that the man and the woman in that clip is not like they're just trying to fix their clothes and they're like running away. And the thing is, somebody shot it and like posted it on Instagram, and the thing is, it was still on Instagram, and this thing was like, I think when I saw it, it had somewhere around 2000 likes. That's concerning. And in the comment section, everybody was like, we need link of the full video. That does not make sense, because why would you want link of a video that's out there without the consent of the man and woman that's there in the video? That's horrible. Then I scrolled, okay, after for a few minutes, my feed was like fine, it was clean. Random reels were coming and I was scrolling past them. But like then, this one reel came, and after watching that, I was so disturbed. Like, I was thinking, these 2-3 days, I was thinking about making a video about it, but like I was so disturbed that I needed time to get over that memory, because that reel was just so disturbing. I don't even know how to say it, but like you guys should know that, because there are so many underage people that are there on Instagram. I'm an adult, but I don't know whom these reels are being pushed at. Not even dark humors used to appear on my feed. I won't say like I won't villainize dancing girls, because I'm also myself a dancer on Instagram. I'm a content creator, so I watch that content and I do not condemn anybody who watches that content. Even though I have seen a lot of people on Instagram saying ki if you have dancing girls on your Instagram feed, that makes your Instagram feed dirty. No, I don't think so. I think there are just a lot of really talented people out there, and really talented girls and beautiful girls, and I don't think so having beautiful girls on your feed makes your feed dirty. And like, considering I used to post so many thirst traps during when my previous account was active. So no, that's not something I called A-rated reels, because I posted a story that, you know, why these disturbing videos are appearing on my feed, A-rated videos, A-rated reels, and people are like, you yourself post thirst traps, and I'm like, no, thirst traps does not make a reel A-rated according to me. I don't think thirst trap should go to anybody who's below 18 in their feed, but that's not something I consider A-rated according to me. But the reels that I'm talking about, like, I don't even think so any adult should watch them, because it's disgusting. I was scrolling and I came across this reel where this old woman, let me just specify, old woman, एक गांव की लेडी जो साड़ी में थी, she was like hanging in a way, her body was like leaned back from a very old rural sort of balcony, and there was somebody recording her, and there was a boy, like वो 18 साल का भी नहीं था. He was like leaning towards her, like this lady is here and he was leaning towards her, and this, I don't know what they were talking about, okay, because मुझे वो language समझ में नहीं आई. And this lady, this old woman, she was crying, and I did not process it. Why I'm saying it might be an Indian video, because she was wearing a sari, but I do not understand the language. I do not understand what was being said in the video, but I could see that she's crying and she's begging and she's like pushing this guy away. My instant thought was, this woman might be falling and this guy is trying to pull her up, and like she's like panicking that, okay, just pull me up, I'm falling. Okay, but I'm like, why is somebody recording her? Why is this person who's recording her not helping her? Imagine my horror, you guys, when I opened the comment section to, make the context clear, and I saw everybody asking for the link of the video. And it took me a moment to realize that the woman was being raped on the video. This old woman by a guy who does not even seem 18. I kid you not. I panicked so much because this was a horror. This is like my worst nightmare. I just refreshed the feed and I shut my Instagram. And it was at night and I was just sitting there in silence, and I was just trying to process what I just saw, because like nobody should see such thing. That too on Instagram. Nobody should. Instagram shouldn't be pushing such horrible things, and these things are like criminal. These people in the video, the person who was recording and the person who was doing the deed, they both like criminal. And there were so many people asking for the link of the video. I instantly regretted shutting down my Instagram, because it was just an instant thought just to shut that thing, just to get away with it. But like later, when I just, after a few seconds, when I opened the Instagram again, I cursed myself that, why I did not like report this reel to a cybercrime portal, because I think that was the right thing to do. And now that the reel is vanished and I cannot do anything. It's not something that should be normalized on Instagram, that this sort of video should not be pushed on Instagram. I don't know whom to blame, honestly. मुझे नहीं पता कि the person who posted this, the people who are asking for the link, or Instagram algorithm. I don't know, these sorts of clips even con websites allow. These unconsensual, traumatizing clips where a person is being literally raped, that to an old woman, maybe in some rural area, crying and begging and being shot without her consent. Not even con websites will allow this on their platform, as far as I know, according to the guidelines. Then why is it on Instagram? Why, where there's so many comments, like how it is on Instagram? And I understand it's a social media platform and people can post anything, but like if the platform is so big, I think they should keep an eye on what people are reporting, because I find it hard to believe कि इतने सारे लोगों ने कमेंट किया और किसी एक ने भी रिपोर्ट नहीं किया. किसी ने तो रिपोर्ट किया होगा among all the people, because I think me as a girl, अगर मेरे पास real life तो किसी और के पास भी गई होगी. So I am just in awe that why was it there? Why did Instagram let that particular reel reach so many people? And since past 3 days, I'm just regretting that why my instant thought was not to just copy the link and report it. I wish I would have done that, but I'm making this video for you guys because, see, I understand that everybody has a source of entertainment. Some people likes to watch girls, and some people like. I used to post thirst trap, and I don't think so. I blame anybody who watches thirst traps, because the person who is posting it and the person who's watching it, there is a consent involved. And I think it's my duty to just spread awareness as much as I can. because it's just so insensitive. And if you guys come across any sort of reel, any this sort of reel where you feel, well, now I feel that Instagram is just pushing terrible stuff, where you feel that the party is there in the video, they do not consent for the video to be there, and it's just the video is uploaded by the third party, चाहे वो कोई भी video. I'm not just talking about any, I don't even know in what category I should, because this is like a criminal category, but I'm just talking about basic things. अगर आपको लगता है कि कोई भी जो parties involved है, जो parties आपको video में दिख रहे हैं, the video is out there without the consent, and then actually I think you guys we all collectively should start reporting such reels, because considering the rise of Meta, because अभी तक तो I don't think so इंडिया के लोगों के हाथ में वो चीज़ें लगी है, उतना एक्सेसिबल नहीं है अभी, उतनी अवेयरनेस नहीं है, बट कंसिडरिंग कि आने वाले टाइम में मेटा ग्लासेस का राइज होगा, एंड पीपल विल स्टार्ट परचेजिंग Ray-Bans and मेटा ग्लासेस, एंड they will start recording people without their consent, and it will just be so difficult for people who just do not want to be involved in this social media culture. They do not want their face to be out there, and people going viral without knowing that they were recorded. So I'm just not about talking about sexual content, but also any sort of content that you feel is out there without the person's knowledge. They did not consent for the video to be there. So yeah, that's all I feel, and I think I should, being a content creator that has worked somewhere in the adult industry slightly, I would say, because OF was an adult industry, so I think I should just, it's my duty to make you guys aware. And please take care. If you have any little sibling, कोई भी छोटा भाई बहन कोई भी है, please just once in a while just check their feed. If they're not 18, just check their feed and see what they're watching. Do not let the kids in your house be exposed to these things.